Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PNT token. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of PNT was at the resistance of a very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. Right now, the price line is still moving in this triangle, and in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to break out the resistance or it will break down the support of the same triangle. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. This is the live weekly time frame, and this was the same symmetrical triangle that I shared with you previously when the price line was at the resistance, and you can see that the price line is rejected by the resistance and moved down at the support, and again after testing the support it is likely to move up. If we switch to the daily time frame, then this move will be more visible. You can see that we had a long spike and the price line recovered in the very next candlestick, and even on the 4-hourly time frame we can see that the price line on the very next candlestick was recovering, and it was entered above this support in this triangle, and right now it is accumulated at this support of the triangle. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame, and if I place this trend line here at this spike, at the end of this spike, then we can see that this is the support that the price line is not breaking down since after Feb 2021, when the price line broke out this resistance that is approximately at 75.27 cents. Previously, this level has been working as a very nice resistance and support as well. Like previously, it was working as a resistance, somehow resistance here, and as a support it has been breaking within a very nice support here. And here you can see that the price line was rejected by this level as a resistance and moved down after a long time. The price line broke out this resistance of 75.27 cents, and after this rally the price line dropped at this support and reversed back after getting bounced, and we had another bounce here, and we had the price line broke down the support here. Then it has been breaking as a resistance. You can see for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks the price this level has been breaking as a resistance, and the price line entered in this triangle and started the formation of this very big symmetrical triangle. Now if we again take a look at the target for this symmetrical triangle, then our targets will be, if I place this trend line here, for example, if we will have a breakout from this resistance of the triangle from here, then our next target can be approximately $2.59 or 60 cents, and the price line is at the support, so I'm expecting that from here we can expect a powerful reversal at least up to this resistance, and in case of breakout from this triangle we can expect this target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.